Chocolate pudding. Unhealthy, right? Well, today we're going to show you a healthier variation called chocolate date pudding. Let's go. This recipe only requires 3 ingredients. That's right, only 3. And you don't need any refined sugar for it. Alright, we're going to start off by blending some dates. We actually did this in a previous recipe. It was our sticky toffee pudding recipe. If you want to learn how to make that, check the description. To start off, we're going to blend 1 cup of pitted dates.
And add in 2 cups of almond milk.
And lastly, a ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. You can also use cacao powder. So that's literally all the ingredients you'll need for this chocolate date pudding recipe. Now we're going to blend it up. Okay, so this pudding has dates for nutrition and almond milk, which has less calories and is a better substitute for regular milk, as well as some cocoa powder to give it an extra boost of taste. This will be amazing. Alright everyone, this was an amazing recipe. We hope you give it a try. Make sure to tune in tomorrow for the next video in our summer series. And with that out of the way, we'll see you in our next video.